Welcome to our channel. Pairing your Fitbit with your iPhone allows you to sync fitness data and receive notifications. Let's get your devices connected in a few simple steps. Step 1. Download the Fitbit app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone and install it. Step 2. Open the Fitbit app and tap Join Fitbit or sign in if you already have an account. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your Fitbit account by entering your email, password, and personal information. Step 4. Tap on Set up a device and select your specific Fitbit model from the list of available devices. Step 5. Make sure your Fitbit is charged and nearby. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone by going to Settings and toggling Bluetooth on. Step 6. The app will search for your Fitbit device. When it appears on screen, tap on it to begin pairing. Step 7. Follow any additional prompts to complete the pairing process, including entering a pairing code if required. Step 8. Once paired, customize your settings and preferences in the Fitbit app to start tracking your fitness activities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.